You are watching Curly Tunes.
Let's learn the alphabets A to Z. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cow. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. H is for hippopotamus. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. L is for llama. M is for mouse. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. P is for panda. Q is for queen bee. R is for rabbit. S is for sloth. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for vampire bat. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching.